Have you ever felt like blazers look effortlessly chic, but only on somebody else? When you want to recreate those outfits, something just doesn't look right. That's how you feel? You probably are making these mistakes. And today I'm going to break down the top 5 mistakes and how you can fix them. And if you're petite, I created a free ebook, the must-know petite styling tips for blazers. Make sure you click the link down below to download for free. Make sure you watch till the end because I'm going to talk about wearing the wrong kind of blazers with your jeans. And so many women are still making that mistake. First, take a look at your closet. Are most or maybe all of your blazers like this? If that is true, that's our mistake number 5. Only wear fitted blazers. Confession, ladies, I used to be guilty of this. For almost a decade, I was only wearing fitted blazers because I'm 5'2". I thought that's the only thing that could work. But here's the thing. Even though fitted blazers are the easiest to pull off, for petites like myself, if they are very fitted, they can come across as too formal. You're gonna have very limited options to style them. Like this, it just won't work. So if you want your blazer to be more versatile, not only to wear to the office, but also outside of the office, weekends, even on a night out, then you want to look for those slightly relaxed fit. And that's gonna open up a whole new window for different layering options and ways to pair with different bottoms. Now let's talk about length. And this mistake is most common among petites, like myself. If you're wearing a regular length blazer like this is very typical. It's gonna be on your hip bones. On our taller friends, this may not matter as much, but because we're shorter, this length, if you wear it this way, it's guaranteed to make your legs look cut off. Now, you might be thinking, well, gee, what am I gonna do? Most blazers are this long. What you want to do is to open it up. Now, here's the most important part. Underneath, you need to be defining your waist, and the easiest is to wear a belt. Why is it so critical? When you're wearing a blazer like this, the eye is gonna assume your legs start from the hemline of your blazers. Look how short this is. I'm 5'2". But when you are defining your waist, now the eye is gonna think that is where your legs start. Do you see what a big difference this can make? For most women, especially if you're petite like myself, the most flattering length for your blazer is cropped. Now, I do understand some of you have mentioned that, gee, I just don't want anything cropped. If that is you, look for blazers that's 1 or 2 inches shorter than the regular length. And don't underestimate those 1 or 2 inches because they can make a very big difference and instantly make your legs look way longer. The next mistake is about relaxed fit or oversized blazers. With a second G, I thought they were just telling me I should go for those. That is true, but that doesn't mean they will automatically make you look stylish. You actually do need to have certain strategies, especially if you're shorter like myself. The one thing you definitely want to avoid when your blazer is relaxed fit or even oversized. The reason is because your top is already wide. So it's expanding you horizontally. It's already making you bigger than you are. You don't want your bottom to do the same thing. Not only it's making you look heavier than you are, but also the outfit just looks frumpy. And if you're shorter like myself, this is definitely making your legs cut off. Instead, switch to jeans or pants that don't have so much volume. For example, straight leg jeans. And this is my Levi's ribcage jean. Immediately you're gonna notice the bottom look way more balanced compared with the wide leg jeans. And because it's still relaxed fit, it goes with the vibe of the oversized blazer. Besides straight leg, another wonderful option, slim fit or skinny jeans. I know we've all been told skinny jeans is on the way out, but you don't have to donate them. Whenever you pair them with oversized or relaxed fit blazer, you're gonna look updated. And the best part, it also balances out all that volume in the oversized blazer. Here's the most important part, your shoes. My 2 favorite ways to style them. The first one is tall boots. Not only this keeps you warm, I live in northern New Jersey, can get really cold, but also this make you look more stylish. And you can also pair them with white sneakers. This will make your entire outfit look more youthful and also add a casual vibe. Mistake number 2, double-breasted blazers. Right now, you're gonna see them everywhere. That's part of the ongoing trend of old money aesthetics. I love old money quiet luxury looks, but what I noticed is double-breasted anything is not very easy to pull off. If you're tall, your height can make it much easier because double-breasted blazers or coats, they expand you horizontally. So a taller girl will be able to balance it out because of your height. But if you're shorter like myself, it's gonna be a real challenge because it's only gonna make you look shorter and wider. In general, single-breasted blazers are way easier to pull off, especially if you're petite. But what if I already have double-breasted blazers, Chi? I do have a solution for you. All you need to do is to open it up. The reason double-breasted blazers can look unflattering on petites is because they make your upper body look like one giant rectangle shape. But when you open it up, that's no longer the case. So you want to wear something to define your waist underneath. A belt is the easy solution. This is how you can make a double-breasted blazer work if you already have them. Wow, I'm so glad you reached this part of the video. Now let's talk about the really important topic. What kind of blazers you don't want to wear with jeans and what kind actually look great with jeans. This is the kind of blazer you do not want to pair with jeans. But don't get me wrong, this is my J. Crew blazer. I absolutely love it. Such a high quality piece, well tailored, well fitted, made of wool. But that is exactly the reason you don't want to pair them with jeans. Because blazers like this, they look too formal. When you wear them with any kind of jeans, it's only gonna look like a mismatch. Blazers are not cheap. Most of them are more than $100 or even $200. So you want to buy a quality piece that you can mix and match with all kinds of bottoms. So you want to look for blazers that have certain details that tone down the formality of them. What kind of blazers you should be looking for? Something like this one. Even though this is a very faded blazer, there's two things about it that makes it less formal. The first one is the fabrics. This is a linen blazer, so that by itself will make it less formal, and therefore you can pair with different kind of casual bottoms. And number two, the designs. For example, the ruche sleeves and the open front design. These are the kind of things to look for so that you can make sure you can wear your blazer not only to the office, but also to a night out, on weekends, or any other occasions you want. Wow, congratulations! I'm so happy that you have finished the entire video. So now you are well equipped to style blazers of any kind and make sure every outfit looks flattering on you. Make sure you sign up for my newsletter and receive my weekly tips. I will see you in the next video.